Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. In this tutorial, talk to you about how to install Xen Orchestra on Ubuntu 18.04 for Manage Xen Server. The system is open source, but it have license, so you can use free version for more feature. Not needed license version. My server information, this operating system is Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit, IP address, disk space, RAM must be needed 3 GB plus, otherwise you cannot install this system. CPU 2, so server update and upgrade. Sorry, my server IP is 12. If you more package installed, so must be server reboot, otherwise not needed. So now install is Node.js. Node.js 12 version. Now install Node.js main package using this command. Press Y, press enter. Now check Node version and npm version. This is 12.20.2 and npm version 6. Now download Xen Orchestra master file. And unzip this master file after download it. Now unzip this file and cd Xen Orchestra installer update master. Then copy sample xo-install.cfg file to xo-install.cfg and run install script bash xo.sh. Then press 1 for auto install, or press 3 deploy docker container, or ./xo-install.sh. press on. After complete installation, then reboot your server. Press 1 for auto installation. Installing some dependency package: ready server, Python, Git, NFS common, CFS utils, and car. Checking Node version. Node.js 12 already installed. Installing yarn. Creating missing xo build directory to opt xo builds. Then fetching Xen Orchestra source code from main GitHub repository. And now running installation process. Up to 10 or 20 minutes needed for installation done. Grab a cup of coffee and lay back. Successfully installation done. Web UI started in port 80. Make sure you have firewall rules in place to allow access. Default username admin@admin.net and password is admin. So this is access URL. admin.net admin. Welcome to Xen Orchestra. Next step, add server. Add your Xen server host or pools. Now I try to connect add server. Click add server. Host name, IP address 1:443 port. Username root, password, and check. Click connect. Yes, this is connected, and wait this update pool. Yes, this is update pool. 8 GB memory, network, dashboard. Click to reset filter. This is my all VM and 18 VMs. I'm going to Xen Center. This is you can use access control list, user group. Role admin operator viewer. You can create ACL admin operator or viewer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.